Do you want to master marketing and salesmanship by unlocking the mystery of sex transmutation? Watch this video till the end and I will coach you exactly you can become a master of sales and marketing. My name is Siddharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. Why is it that in an organization where all the employees go through the same sales training, have the same product, have the same competition to face and meet similar prospects, but why that only few people achieve that grand success in sales and marketing? Why only few people, that 1% or 2% people who are master in sales and marketing? Why is that? They have gone through the same training, they've got the same product, the same discount, the same offers, the same competition, everything's common. And that's where the mystery is led. There is a mystery in mastering salesmanship. You see why it's a mystery? The majority of salespeople who transmute this energy do so without being aware of what they are doing or how they are doing it. Perhaps just on an occasional basis, they are able to transmute that charisma and enthusiasm and getting that big order. What if I tell you that once you grasp this concept, every time, all the time, you'll be able to use it consciously. All the time you'll be hitting a 6. How would be that for you? Well, that's where this mind stimulant of sex transmutation is working. Understand this. Our mind is stimulated by a variety of stimulants like alcohol, drugs, love, friendship, and so on and so forth. There are top 10 stimulants, and in that, the stimulants, sex transmutation or the desire for sexual expression ranks the number 1 as the highest mind stimulant for any human being. In fact, you can say that this mind stimulant of sexual expression, if you compare all the other 9, still this will rank much more, all the 9 combined together also. This is the number 1 stimulant, which is the desire for sexual expression. This is such a powerful expression, such a powerful stimulant that a person's has a bodily change just by the thoughts of this particular stimulant. Now understand this. The desire for sexual expression. Let's compare a young couple madly in love. What will be the qualities when they have this particular desire? Oh, they will have a strong willpower. I mean, they will do whatever it takes. They will have that strong courage to do whatever it takes to fulfill this particular desire. They will have that persistence that they will not give it up. They will keep on going on for this particular sexual expression to be fulfilled. They will have the imagination and they will have the creative ability. Now have an open mind and understand this aspect, that when this particular desire for sexual expression, that energy is transmuted to any of the other things which are required in your life, not the physical expression, you will have all these 5 qualities working for you to achieve your goal, maybe your career goal, maybe your business goal, maybe your health goal, maybe your relationship goal. You think these 5 qualities are weak? Oh wow, these are super qualities. I mean, willpower will be there, courage will be there, persistence will be there, imagination will be there, and the creative ability for you to become a genius in your industry. Well, that's where have an open mind and see that how these qualities, which are just expressed for their sexual stimulant desire, if they are channelized, you will have all of these particular qualities. You see, the energy of sexual expression is already there in the body. It's a normal, it's a biological need. Compare this with a dam. I'm going to give you an analogy of dam. Okay. Now, emotions of sexual expression may be submerged and controlled for a time, but its very nature causes it to ever seeking means of expression. It is going to break that dam for sure. So if it is not getting expressed by some channel or the other, it's going to break that particular dam and explode. It's up to you. Decide the channel from where it's going to come out. Okay? The energy is inborn. It's natural. It's our biological need. Youngsters, generally they went out through the body. That's the normal physical expression of this particular need. There There are other things also. You can go through the spirit, you can have through the mind, and when you channelize your transmutation through these other channels, you are going to become a genius in sales and marketing. Okay. Now, personal attractiveness is much beyond physical appearance. Most of the time, we see only the physical appearance, but that doesn't create that aura, that magnetism. Let's say Dalai Lama, let's say a film star, let's say maybe a sportsman. Well, there is no sexual expression over there, but they have got that personal magnetism built in because of their aura, maybe because of their chemistry, maybe because of their charm, maybe because there's an appeal which is there, maybe the personality is such. All of this together combined creates a personal magnetism, and when you develop that magnetism, you will get that client giving you a yes to the order, because that's where your aura starts to increase. Now understand this aspect. Your thoughts of physical expression are there with you. You got to transmute that particular thought process. You got to channelize that energy of your sexual expression to a particular result which you want in your life. Maybe that career growth, maybe that deal which you want to crack, maybe that tender which you want to achieve, maybe that whatever the sales which you want to achieve. That thoughts of some other nature needs to be collaborated and blended. Well, that's what we coach in our programs, that how it's possible for you to blend, to transmute that particular energy into your further goals in your life. If you understand this aspect of using your charisma, of using your personal magnetism, of using that energy which you already got and channelize it creatively, then your charisma can be a link to the grand success which you truly deserve. Whatever success which you want in your life. This is the missing link. That creativity is the missing link. You just don't want charisma just to become popular, no. But to transmute that charisma into a success, you got to have that creativity within it. Now I want you to think about it, okay? Maybe take any super successful person which you know. Many from any area. And I'm not saying that all those people who are having high sexual desires, they are successful people. No. But those people who are able to channelize this particular energy are super successful. Analyze some entertainment stars, analyze some sports people. You can see that they are highly sexual in nature. They are very successful in their industry. Analyze some high profile CEOs, analyze politicians, analyze few presidents of America. I'm not going to name anybody, but just think about it. Or maybe analyze some godmen. Well, they became to the next level because they had that sexual energy which is there within. And you can study any of the biographies of many successful people, and you will find this particular desire really strong with them, and they were able to channelize this energy to achieve an extraordinary person, not just in sales and marketing, but in any industry, any field which you belong. Well, this is just the tip of the iceberg of what happens in Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich is not just about positive thinking. It is not about motivation or jumping on the chair. No, it is much beyond this. This is the mystery of sex transmutation. I'm just giving you a glimpse of what happens, that once you understand this particular principle, the mystery will be unlocked and you will start to see the energy which you have gotten, so that whatever goal which you want to achieve, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. If you have liked my video, press the like button, share, subscribe, and if you want to understand how you can truly think and grow rich, then click on the link below and enter into our programs. It's not just about motivation, it's motivation with understanding. Because I truly believe that you require some understanding. You are already motivated for sure, but with understanding combined with motivation, you will have that intellect to achieve the results which you truly deserve. Tell us what you want in your life, and we will show you how to get it. Okay? My name is Siddharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. If you have got some idea about this entire mystery of sex transmutation, if you want to really become a master of sales and marketing in your industry, whatever be your industry, then type out MS in the comment box. MS for a master salesperson like you. Type MS in the comment box so I come to know you got this particular principle. Type MS right now. How you can transmute that energy which is inbuilt within you, which is a natural thing for you. It's our biological need. But once you're able to get how to transmute this, you will be a genius in your industry. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you then. Bye.